Jai Swaminarayan students. Today we are starting with lesson number 3, that is files, folders and shortcuts in Windows 7. Now Windows 7, it is an operating system, right? We have already studied about operating system. What is operating system? An operating system, it controls and coordinates the overall activity of a computer, right? It acts as a mediator between the user and the computer hardware, right? We have already seen the functions of operating system in last lesson, that is it manages files and folders, it controls and runs the software, then it handles input and output data as well as devices. That means it manages devices, it manages memory, and the last was security, right? So this Windows 7, which we are going to study in present lesson, it is an operating system. Now in this lesson we are going to study how to create, to move, to delete, right, the files and folders, even how to rename it, how to create a new folder, how to create a shortcut, and how to delete a shortcut of the files as well as the folders, right? So Microsoft Windows is the most widely used operating system in the world. Windows 7 is a part of the Windows NT family of operating systems. Let us see the first topic, that is files and folders. Today we will study what are files and what are folders. Files. Files are a resource for storing information. They could be in the form of text or document, image, audio or video. The icon of the file varies for different kinds of files, right? So what are files? Files, they are the resource for storing the data, for storing the information. That file can be a text file also, or a document also. It can be an image, right? If you are storing your own photograph, right? So one of your photograph which you are storing on your computer, that photograph is also called a file, right? If you are saving a song, right, if you are saving your playlist, that song, single song, that is also called a file. Even a video, suppose you are saving a movie, right, you're storing a movie, that video is also called a file. Now each and every file, right, the icon of the file varies, as you can see on the picture on the screen. See, MS Word, so this is a document file. Photoshop, VLC media player, right, these all are the icons of different kinds of files, right? Okay, now next is folder. What is a folder? Folder, it is a collection of many files together, where you save too many files at a place, right? That collection of file is called a folder. As you can see on the screen, the folder, right, you must have seen this kind of image on your laptop or on your computer, right? That is called a folder. It allows organizing files for easy identification. A folder inside a folder is called a subfolder. When we'll do the practical in the next session, I'll show you how to create a folder, right? I'll show you what is a folder, what is a subfolder, right? Folder, it is collection of many files together put at a place, right? That is called a folder. And if you are making a new folder inside an already created folder, that is called subfolder, right? That's all for today, children. We'll continue the rest of the lesson in the next session. I'll show you practically the folder, the files, how to create a new folder, how to delete, how to rename any file or folder, right? How to create and how to delete a shortcut of files and folders also. That's all for today, children. Thank you.